Hey Megan, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Welcome to the Weekly Geek,
Yep,
January 11th, 2013.
it is.
Got some exciting stuff happening in the library, right?
Yes. So I had a special request from one of our students that we do books that have been turned into movies display, which is personally one of my favorites because I love books and movies. So it's up and running as of yesterday. And so if you look on my screen, got a picture of just one of my things that I'm actually really excited about that I put up there. And so basically, it's just fiction that's been turned into film. And we're actually announcing a contest. We announced it today on the announcements. And what it is students or teachers, if you want to be involved, can make a 3-minute short film or movie trailer and submit it to the library for the contest. And it's based on a book. And we're going to pick the best one, and the best one's going to win a pair of movie tickets.
Nice.
So we're actually really excited about it. Hopefully we'll get a good student response and teacher response, and we're just going to have fun with it.
Great. They can use an iPad from the library, flip cam, or they could borrow one of the cart iPads probably,
Definitely, yeah. We'll work it out if you need a device. And a lot of students have iPhones or iPod touches, so they can use the video right on that. But we're really excited about it, so we hope you'll be involved.
Fun, fun. Lots of great things happening in the library this week. We had Lucy Hankinson, who's in the Peace Corps, and Kristen Harper, who's a member of the Sepia volunteer group as well. And they came in to talk about some of the fantastic things they've done since graduating.
And it was really great. Yeah, it was really fun to listen to.
They are super impressive young ladies.
They are.
Pretty cool. And Lamoille graduates. Did you know that?
I introduced myself to them. I said, hi, I graduated a couple years after you. But yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So it's been busy getting ready for the one-to-one initiative, which people can check out on this website right here if they want to. But I know that coming up on the 21st, people are going to be talking a little bit about formative assessment. So I thought maybe, Megan, you and I could talk a little bit about some tools for formative assessment. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
So a couple of things out there. There's Socrative for Teachers, which allows you to have about 50 people and do some online quizzes and things like that. And then another one that I use quite a bit is this Poll Everywhere.
Yeah, this one's fun.
And this one's really nice because, like many of them, you can set them up like I set this poll up. It takes about 10 minutes to set it up. You get an account and stuff. But then what you can do is you can poll kids, which is a nice little assessment, pre-assessment or something, find out what they're interested in, find out how much they know about something, and they can actually use their phones to text in and enter, or they can use an iPad and log into a certain website and respond as well.
Yeah, that's great.
Instant polling, really quick. But I also wanted to remind people, if they're into instant polling, we have
clickers!
Several sets of clickers, including the Smart Set, and then some Mimeo clickers, which have been working really well.
That's great.
That it takes a little bit of uptime to get everything downloaded onto the computer, but they're really nice to use, and they're a nice way to collect data.
Right, and we've got the technology, so why not use it?
We've got the technology, so let's go ahead and use it. And you know, Haiku has a couple of nice places to do that as well. A couple of really cool things that I've seen happen lately are in Miss Reed's class, actually, where she had kids go on and do a little evaluation form that was a peer evaluation form, which is really cool.
That's great.
So I think we mentioned this before, but the kids filled this out, and then it shot it out into a nice little spreadsheet for her to see, which is also
this is right on
really
Google
nice.
Forms, so it's really easy to use, and it's really easy to get onto Haiku. So, you know, it's a great way to begin a unit, end a unit, or right in the middle of the unit.
Right. Do you notice I just clicked the link on there? So kids get onto this site, click on a link, and boom, we posted all the projects over here. It's another nice form of assessment that can take place just about any time. As can, on Haiku, you also have the potential to do discussions.
I love this about Haiku because in my college classes we use a discussion board, and I think there's so much learning that can happen through discussion.
And it's recorded, and it's another nice way to kind of get stuff going, and they can do it at home on Haiku too, which is great. iPads, it works okay, and laptops, regular Windows, it works fine as well. So there's a couple of other options. Then, you know, I'm going to throw out another one there because I do think it's kind of a cool one, and that is actually just using the iPad, because the iPad has a video camera right on it.
Right. Okay.
So you could do something right on iMovie.
Okay.
You could do something right on the video camera here. And one of the great things about having a device like this is that with an iPad and a video camera, you can have kids video their responses. And I've had a lot of fun this year and found some really interesting responses in doing recorded discussions with an iPad and then posting those up.
That's great.
Please come to the high school office.
So I just had a couple of quick things, and we're running out of time. So pull up Air Server. And if you haven't looked at the Smithsonian Channel app, it's really great. It's just got videos, and some of them are short clips and some of them are episodes, and it's just something that I've been looking at. Or there's also Story Space. You can pick what you're interested in, drag it over, and it gives you a bunch of video options. So kids react to videos sometimes, so it could be a fun little snippet to put into a lesson. And
that's also a great thing that kids could use as sort of an enhancement. So at the end of a unit, if you had some free time, as a kid who moved a little faster, if you wanted to differentiate, they could use this to collect some videos for the next class.
Definitely. And you can pop the videos, you can pop the links right up on Haiku, whatever. And then this is Bet You Didn't Know from the History Channel, and it's just got some really fun facts. So I always look for that kind of stuff.
We talked about sponge activities.
Yes.
Those activities that have some value to them, but sort of sponge up that extra time when kids are finished with your with the project and that you're working on, and you need to get them to do something valuable besides Angry Birds.
I like Angry Birds, but it's addicting, so don't.
All right, Megan, thanks a lot.
Yep, have a great week.
Fantastic weekend. Bye-bye.
And make those videos.